Hi, Brentwood kindergartners. Miss Henderson here. I'm so excited to be with you today to talk about math. Today we're going to look at subtraction, which is a big fancy word for something we call takeaway or minus. We're going to do some problems together. Hopefully for a lot of you this is just a review. You've seen it before, but let's get together and do some math. See you in a little bit. Okay guys, here we go. So the first thing we have up here is the word subtraction. 3 syllables, big word. And if you look inside that word, the first few letters, subtract. So the word subtract is inside the word subtraction. Another word for subtract is take away, or sometimes you'll hear it called minus. So one way when you're first learning subtraction, I like this. If you're using pictures or objects, you can sort of get a visual for how you take something away or subtract from a group. You could use a group of pictures or objects. So the first one I did was I started out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 circles. And here's my 10. That's usually, until you get a lot older, that's usually where you put the total. You put the total number here, which we start out with 10. Then it's asking us to take away or subtract 3. So 10 minus 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the picture with all 10, and I'm going to cross out 3 of those circles. Any 3 will do. I'm just going to start on the left side. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to mark out 3. Now, to get my answer, here's my answer box. You can simply go back and count the number of circles you have left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 circles left. So my number sentence now, this is what we call a number sentence or a subtraction problem. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Okay, so you probably would know how to do the second one, but we'll do it together. I'm going to start out with, I have 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 triangles. And I'm just going to mark out, do I mark out 3 again? No, let's look at the number sentence and what it's actually asking us to do. 10, starting out with 10, minus, or take away, 6. So my subtraction problem is 10 minus 6. So how many triangles would I cross out? You guessed it, we're going to cross out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more. Now we're looking for the answer to put in this answer box. We look for the number that we have left, or what the difference. The answer to a subtraction problem is actually called the difference. So we're going to count what we have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. And my answer is 4. So 10 minus 6 equals 4. Good job, guys.
Stay.
Okay, kindergartners. One more thing you could do when you're practicing subtraction is use objects around the house and practice with your families if you want to do that. I am outside with Mr. Henderson and our dog Dietz. So Mr. Henderson is going to show you an example of another way to do a subtraction problem.
Hi guys. We have 10 goldfish, as you can see. I'm going to take 2 of those goldfish, 1, 2, and I'm going to give Dietz a treat. First he has to shake. Shake. Good boy. 1, 2. Oh, Dietz likes those. Good boy.
And so that
now,
go ahead.
If we had 10 goldfish and we gave 2 to Dietz, how many do we have left? The answer is 8.
Yay, Dietz. Okay, one more subtraction problem with dogs. We also have a dog named Dolly, who we're going to have to call back over. We also wanted to let y'all know that we normally don't give them a lot of people food, but for the sake of this video, we're giving them a couple of goldfish crackers on a special occasion. Okay, here you go, Mr. Henderson.
Okay, come here, Dolly. Come here, Dolly. Okay, boys and girls, if you'll look, count. We have 10 goldfish. Okay, what happens if we have 10 and I take one of the goldfish and I give it to Dolly as a treat? Sit, shake, good girl. Oh, nice girl, Dolly. Okay, now, we had 10 goldfish. We gave one to Dolly. That leaves us with how many? 9 is the correct answer.
Good job, Mr. Henderson. Good job, dogs. Bye, Brentwood Bulldogs. Y'all have a great day.